We are about to climb the WAHIAWA Trail. What's up guys, this is Miko. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I'm here at WAHIAWA Trail with Treasure and then Val right behind the camera. So right now we are a little bit confused which way because I have no freaking idea. Look at that berry. Amazing.
What kind of berry is that? I don't even have bags.
So beautiful. So you guys, we just spoke to the military guy and he said he has no idea if we are allowed to be here, but since a lot of people like taking pictures and going to the Instagram, so why not? This is what I'm talking about. This is amazing. This is supposed to be 69. That is a huge military aircraft. Where are they going? It's amazing. Wow.
Is that the engine?
Yeah. Wow. Did they take a spare parts? Hey guys, we're home now. That is the short adventure for today with my friend Val and my dog Treasure. It was amazing. There is a military training going on when we got there, so we tried our best to get out as much as we can. Nice, pretty nice. They let us take videos and pictures, and so that's it. Very short video. I promise I'm filming a lot of content next week or probably this week, so I never know. I have a lot of like treasure hunting videos coming up with my friend Val and my dog Treasure, so I hope you will come back and watch that. And yeah, again, thanks a lot for watching. I love you. Till next time.